Cheats cream egg brownie. Preheat the oven to 180 degrees Celsius. Grease a 20 centimetre square cake pan with butter and line with baking paper, allowing it to overhang on the sides. Prepare the brownie mix following the packet directions. Spoon into the prepared pan and smooth the surface. Bake for 25 minutes or until almost set. Remove from the oven and arrange the cream eggs cut side up over the top of the brownie, gently pushing into the brownie, and bake for a further 5 minutes or until the brownie is cooked through. Remove from oven and set aside in pan to cool completely. Cut into pieces to serve and have fun with the angles. Impossible to resist.